I'm aboard the Robalo R360. How are you doing today, sir?
Doing good. Joe Pegg with Robalo Boats here. We are introducing our brand new boat here at the show. This is the largest Robalo ever. It's 36.5 feet long, 11.4 beam. So really exciting. This has kind of been the talk of the show here in Fort Lauderdale. A lot of unique features. It's a fishing boat that has all the creature comforts. So it's kind of a boat that was designed for multi-purpose, family, cruising, fishing, diving. Great boat to take over the islands too. So
sounds like there's nothing that you can't do on it.
That's the whole deal with this boat. It's really designed for anybody that wants to get on the water, have some fun. You don't limit yourself at all. I mean, this boat will do it all. So.
And how much does a boat like this go for?
This one here, depending on how you option it out, is going to be anywhere from about $390,000 to about $450,000. So you can customize the boat with different accessories, different options, seakeeper stabilizers, different electronics. But you're going to be probably somewhere in the like I said, high 30s to mid 40s. So.